Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry it's been a minute since I posted. I was just super busy at the end of the semester with finals and packing up my dorm and everything, but I'm back home now. So I've been here for like 3 days. I'm getting ready for the Angel game right now. I'm gonna go with some friends, so I'm gonna take you guys along with us. It should be fun. I think this is what I'm gonna wear. It's just a white tank top, Levi shorts, and then I have this big Angels jersey. It's actually my dad's, but it says our name on the back. It says 88 for a lucky number. I'm wearing my Air Max 90s because I need to get a new pair of Air Forces, and then I just have like these long socks on, and I'm just bringing this like white fanny pack.
Mom going
I know you look like a Y2K.
Like, hey, no, it's about me right now.
We got hot dogs and Coke.
Angel dogs.
I'm gonna be hanging out with my boyfriend right now. We might be doing something. Good morning, guys. Last night, what you guys saw, my boyfriend actually surprised me and took me to a D Savage concert. Today is actually my birthday. We got home really late last night. It was like 1 something. I'm gonna pick up Deandra right now, and then we're gonna head to get coffee because you get a free coffee on your birthday.
Matching outfits.
And I'm about to go lay out. I just have my just a pink hat. This is my bathing suit. It has like flowers on it. This is my cover up. I also just got this called the Aqua Jug from the gym. It's so cute. It's like a lilac color. It's a little overexposed right here. It holds 2 of my huge Hydro Flasks, so it's a ton of water. I think it's like 70 something ounces. I love it. I love smacking the top of it. And my watermelon right here. It's blazing hot outside today. I laid out for a little more than an hour, or just about an hour actually. I think I got a little bit of, yeah, I got a little tiny tan line. It's not gonna really last. Chug my water. The sun just killed me. I just showered. I'm gonna make my favorite vodka pasta because I am starving. Per month.
That would be different.
I'm just getting in the car because I'm gonna drop off some pasta that I made to my boyfriend while he finishes work. He was finger eating his food. I need to do my makeup still, but this is what I'm wearing. Little diamond necklace, little tennis bracelet. I have my cross. I went silver. Diamond ring. I'm bringing this little bag. This is what we're working with. Yeah. Look how cute my friends are.
Yeah, it helps, man.
Look at what they.
Maybe not that bad, but I know like
So cute. I literally had no idea. And they signed the.
Happy birthday, sexy. Love you. I'm gonna do a little haul of what we did. S'mores. Happy birthday. Chocolate covered strawberries, cake, flowers. And so I just wanted to show you. I don't know where you are and you need to come back.
It's the next morning and I just wanted to show you what my boyfriend got me. It's so cute. Last night I opened up this Versace ring. Got me this lounging set. It's like this lilac color. And then I got these grape straps for lifting, which I'm going to use for the first time today. Got me this adorable workout set. It's like a navy blue color. It looks so pretty. Okay, so it's 8:47 right now. I just got ready for the gym. I'm meeting my boyfriend there, and then we're gonna hit a pole day. Just finished up at the gym. We went into the steam room for a little bit for like 10 minutes after. I want to start actually recording more of my workouts and what I do in the gym.
Who know the black person? I want to know who the security guard, the motherfucker said something at the goddamn Whole Foods.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday the 17th. This vlog has kind of been all over the place, but I'm just doing little bits and pieces of what I've been doing. Right now I'm gonna go to Nectar to pick up some smoothies for my boyfriend and I. And then I might go to the mall today because I want to go to Zara.
I know what they like, so I just
picked up the smoothies. Look how good they look. This one's so vibrant, you can even tell. This one's pink flamingo. This one my boyfriend got. And then I got the banana berry burst, I want to say. I got back from Noah's house. Right now I'm getting ready for the mall. Deandra and I are going to go to South Coast. It's pretty hot outside, so I don't want to wear anything too much, but we're also going to South Coast, so it's a little bit nicer. And this is my bag that I'm bringing. Got In-N-Out. In-N-Out pickles are the best pickles on the entire planet. I think you started putting me on the pickles at In-N-Out. I want to show you guys what I got from the mall. First, what I got from Forever 21, I just got two really simple things. For my leg day workouts, I like to wear like graphic tees. First I got this one. It's a Los Angeles Lakers shirt. It's just purple. And then this one's like a cuter Las Vegas Betty Boop. Look at how cute it is. She's a little cowgirl. Then from Zara, first it's like this, it almost looks like a little sweater vest, but it's a top and it's super cute. Then I just got this basic, it's a lot of basic stuff. Green tank top. No, it's just such a good basic though. And this green, I'm obsessed with it. I'm really obsessed with green right now. And then the last thing of my haul is I got this little corset. It's like a satin silk material. So it's like a little bit fancier, but I just think it's such a cute piece. Deandra's gonna pick me up to go thrifting right now. Deandra and I just went thrifting.
Slay.
She got a couple of things. Skirt.
My items, skirt, red slip dress, belly chain necklace thing, and a little gold watch I got.
Oh, it actually looks really nice. Then I just made one purchase. This black purse. Again, but like,
didn't you need any more little purses? No, but I love it. I love the industrial, like all the like hardware on it. What brand is it?
So let me look at it first. Kevin, I don't want to butcher it. Oh wait, Kenneth
Cole?
Oh, I thought it said like code.
I thought it was COC.
Yeah, Kenneth Cole. All time blue Nike, what is this, crew neck? I had a vision in my head. I wanted to show the jacket. So it looks like just as Nike. I just have some white biker shorts on. I have my blue Revenge Storms on, but that was just random. I could do like a white shoe I like white, but I don't know, I think it's cute. So last night or yesterday we went up to LA and we went to Sunset at Edition, and then this morning we went and got, well, Hannah and Sky got Cha-Cha Matcha, or just matcha, and then we went to a little flea market, so, and then that's where I got this, and then now I'm back home. I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I don't really have anything planned as of now, but I'm sorry it was kind of a chaotic video. It was all over the place, not a ton of explaining.